Well, meal planning is a great way to save time and money while also building healthier habits as a family. Registered dietitian Nicole Osinga is here with more. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Emily. Yeah, March is National Nutrition Month and it's coming to a close, but I want us to keep that, the good nutrition habits like meal planning going and incorporating nutrient-rich plant foods. So I wanted to highlight California prunes today because they're so versatile. They're an easy pantry staple to have all year round.
Okay.
And I'm going to show us how I incorporated them into these various dishes here.
Before we get there, what exactly are prunes?
So prunes are dried plums. Yes.
That's it, eh?
Yes.
Plain and simple. Now,
Exactly.
I've used them for years. I really love prunes. They get a bit of a bad rap.
Yeah.
People are like, prunes, but
Totally.
I use them because they help keep people regular.
That's one of the biggest benefits, some heart health benefits and all that jazz. So so I'll dive into the first dish here.
What do we
have a carrot cake, double chocolate, California prune baked oatmeal. So
you had me a double chocolate.
Right, it's basically like dessert for breakfast. So easy to meal prep. And what I really love here is the fiber boost from the California prunes. So a serving of California prunes provides 3 grams of fiber, like you mentioned, for digestion, satiety, all that stuff. And prunes are actually replacing the eggs in this recipe here. So it's kind of a nice kind of swap, especially because eggs are so expensive nowadays.
Yeah, it's true.
So, and all these recipes are on californiaprunes.ca as well.
Okay. Yeah. So now we've had breakfast, moving on to lunch.
Yeah, and this could be a lunch or dinner. So it's a sticky tempeh California prune nourish bowl. So tempeh is a fermented soy product.
Yeah.
So really good for our gut, adding that good beneficial gut bacteria. High in protein. We get some boost here from the California prunes for fiber. So this is a really kind of gut healthy and nourishing meal, and it looks pretty with all the spring veggies.
It's amazing how you can make something that people normally go, ugh,
exactly.
over. Looks so good.
Yeah, the chopped prunes are on top of the salad and then also in the marinade and the dressing as well. So just showing how versatile the California prunes are.
Wow, okay, so we've gone from like a bread for breakfast, chicken, salad, dinner, lunch. Now, what is this? Because this looks incredible.
And we cannot skip dessert. That's just a rule that I have. Right, exactly. So it's a high protein chocolate and orange avocado mousse with the California prunes. There's actually, what's amazing, there's no added sugar in this dessert and it actually tastes amazing. Yes.
Can I be the judge
of course, please do. Yes.
Wait, I'll take this one. That one's being showcased better.
Perfect. Yes, exactly. So the California prunes are a good kind of way to add that sweetness without the added sugar, lots of fiber still, and there's lots of healthy fats in there from the avocado, and you're going to have that satiety from that as well.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible.
I'll leave some for you to have after the segment, absolutely.
Oh my gosh,
So.
okay. Go through the ingredients of this one again.
Yeah, so in that one there's avocado, the California prunes, some cocoa powder, there's some cottage cheese in there, that's what adds the protein. You could also use a Greek yogurt or a tofu. So again, californiaprunes.ca to grab the recipe. It's like one of my favorites and it's elegant enough to serve for your Easter dessert.
It totally is.
Yeah, definitely. So
when people are like, oh, what's in here? You're gonna be like, prunes.
Yes, exactly.
That's what's in there.
It adds just that nice sweetness, and a bit of the orange zest on top, and then a bit of dark chocolate. So,
oh my gosh. Okay. So you've heard the website. You know where you can get all the information for. Meal planning is so important.
Yeah.
And all of these, how long did they take you to make?
Honestly, not very long, like half an hour at the most. So great to meal plan and just make your week that much easier.
Yeah, absolutely. You've got 4 of my meals right here.
Yeah.
I can't wait. Okay, thank you so much. You can get all the recipes at chch.com/morninglive. I'm gonna have to take another bite of this one.
Please enjoy it,